It's not his brother, so please hurry and come along with me over here quickly. Patient with motor impairment.
He still needs further examination, but in his condition, there's a risk of paralysis or even life-threatening danger.
Doctor, how should this be treated?
This illness can't be cured. It can be considered a terminal disease. However, there is a special treatment, but it costs $30,000 a week, which adds up to over $200,000 a year. The family should discuss it and let us know.
Okay.
After forming a new family, my daughter fell seriously ill.
Here's your food delivery. Thank you. Look, you fell asleep earlier. Hurry up and eat something.
Thank you, but I really can't eat.
Just have a bite for my sake. I specially ordered this for you from my own earnings.
I really can't eat.
Hello, speaking.
Right now? I'll come over right away.
Or should I just send it to the company?
Where's Lu Mingyuan? He didn't run away, did he? Previously, the people around my daughter all behaved terribly.
Family members, please go pay the ambulance fee.
Doctor, I'll do it. Thank you, thank you. It's just over there, right? Thank you.
We're already divorced. That's your daughter. What does her illness have to do with me?
You still have to pay child support.
I don't have any money. Just go. Just go.
What kind of stitches did you use? Why did it cost so much? Did you use gold thread?
Zyle is a girl. She can't have a scar on her face.
Well, regular stitches don't necessarily leave a scar either. I'm not wasting money on this. Hello? The number you have dialed is powered off. Please try again later.